All right, hello everyone. Welcome to week 3. Now, for this video, it's going to be the perfect video if you have been struggling a little bit to keep up, if you have been struggling a little bit with incorporating squats and lunges and stuff like that for the first time. This is a great beginner workout for you to start practicing that kind of movement. So for this, we're just going to start with a step touch and start warming up. Go ahead and add some arms. Now bring it up to tempo. Keep those arms up. Okay, for each chorus, which is coming up, we're going to do some standing crunches and switch. And switch. Alright, the chorus is over. We're going to do some twists. Make sure to have a really strong twist here and engage your core. Here comes our chorus. Alright, next we're going to go back into that step touch or a step hop if you prefer a challenge. Here comes a chorus. All right, great work with that one. For this next one, you will need to grab a chair. And this will be perfect for you if you feel a little bit uncomfortable incorporating squats and lunges into your routine. This is a great way to help you feel a little bit more secure. So go ahead and grab that chair. We're going to start with squats. Make sure that chair is positioned behind you to catch your weight if needed.
Holding hands and skimming stones. Had an Norgaard Chevy and a place of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the Crocodile ride. While the other kids were rocking around the clock, we were hopping and bopping.
Last one. Great job. Now position your chair so we can do the kick outs and kick backs like we did a couple of videos ago. I'll give you a moment to get situated. Give yourself some space. And here we go. Kick out and kick back. And now we're going to switch sides. Same thing on the other leg.
Rock just died. Susie went and left us for some foreign guy. Long nights crying by the record machine, dreaming of the Chevy and my old blue jeans. But they'll never kill the thrills we got, burning up to the Crocodile ride, learning fast as the weeks went past. We really thought the Crocodile rock would last. Well, rocking is something shocking when your feet just can't keep still.
Alright, last one on this side.
Never knew me a better time.
Next you're going to face the back of your chair, grab a hold of it, and get into lunge position. And we're going to lunge. Last one, and then we will switch sides. Alright, last lunge here. Next we're going to have that chair right in front of you. Grab a hold of it. We're going to do some side lunges.
Had an old gold Chevy and a place of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the Crocodile ride, while the other kids were rocking around the clock. We were hopping
and switch sides.
Crocodile rock, well, rocking, something shocking when your feet just can't keep still. Never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. Oh, Lord and Mama.
Last one. Next, we're going to move your chair back to where it was originally. And we're going to do the chair squats one last time until the end of the song. Last one. Great job, you guys. Go ahead and get that chair out of your way. We're going to do our abs song next. Alright, first we're going to start with alternating toe taps. So right to left and left to right. For extra support, you can put your hands back behind you if needed, like I just did there. The farther you lean back, the more difficult it is. Okay, for the chorus, stay seated. We're going to twist and reach. Twist and reach. Alright, next we're going to do dead bugs. So for this you're going to have your legs and arms straight up in the air, and your right arm is going to go down with your left leg and vice versa.
Nobody
For a quick little challenge here, put your hands underneath your butt. You're going to kick out and crunch. Try not to let your feet touch the floor. We're only going to do this a few times. Here comes the chorus.
Nobody knows it. 'Cause when I was down, I was your clown. Woo-hoo. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows. And right from the start, I gave you my heart. Oh, I gave you my heart.
Next, you're going to get back down onto your back. You can take a moment of rest. We're going to start with bicycles.
I won't go breaking your heart. Oh yeah, don't go breaking my heart. Don't go. Bem. Vai que eu não consigo chegar até aí.
Here comes the very last chorus.
Woo-hoo. Nobody knows it. When I was down, I was your clown. And right from the start, I gave you my heart. Oh, I gave you my heart. Oh,
For our final movement, we're just going to go back to those toe taps. Last one, we made it. Go ahead and get onto your stomach. We're going to stretch it out with a nice long ab stretch. And you can alternate between child's pose and stretching your abs if you prefer. Alright, great job you guys, and get ready for round 2 if you have not done it yet. I'll see you with a new workout on Wednesday.